Hey everybody, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you share your any file to others in easy way. So it's very simple. So for that, first of all we will sign in our Gmail, and then we will go here. You can see here Drive, click here, and then which file you want to share, just click new and upload here, file upload. And then suppose I want to share this one image, then we will select here and open, and then you can see it's uploading. You can see here it's uploaded here, and then you will go on recent, which I have uploaded just now, and you can see here it's uploaded. And then we click right click here, and then we will get this get shareable link. After that, and then we will share, and then we will just type here the required portion name or Gmail, and then after that we will just, suppose I want to share into this email, then we select here and we will keep message just for test, and then we are sending to this Gmail. I will just click send, and then we have just sent, and they can access our this photo which we have shared. So in this way you can share any file. In Gmail there is limited, we can send only up to 10 MB, but in this way we can say send to GB also. So it's very quite simple and easy way to share any file. So I hope this video helps you. So thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.